So, if you do not know yet, OnePlus is going to launch the OnePlus 10 Pro globally at the end of this month. Also, in the coming months, we are getting a lot of OnePlus phones, especially under the Nord series. For example, the Nord CE2 Lite, Nord 2T and the Nord 3. Under the OnePlus 10 series, we will get at least two more phones this year named the OnePlus 10R and the OnePlus 10 Ultra/10 Pro Plus. In this video, let us talk about the OnePlus 10R, which as the name shows is the successor of OnePlus 9R and is going to be the cheapest phone under the OnePlus 10 series. Today, the full specifications of the 10R were shared by 91mobiles.com, and these specifications suggest that this phone is very similar to the Realme GT Neo 3. This is interesting because earlier a report suggested that the OnePlus Nord 3 is also having similar specifications as the GT Neo 3. First of all, design-wise, there is a report that suggests the OnePlus 10R has a hole punch in the center, not in the corner. Also, there is no alert slider on this phone, so that is a surprise because we expect at least the high-end phones from OnePlus to have an alert slider. The triple camera setup on the back is also laid out in the same triangular fashion as the Realme GT Neo 3, but the LED flash is located at a different position, and that is the only difference in design. As for the specs, the OnePlus 10R has the same 6.7-inch E4 AMOLED with a 120Hz refresh rate and a hole punch. Under the hood, it has the MediaTek Dimensity 8100 SoC, up to 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. The battery size is 4500 mAh and there is support for 150W fast charging. In terms of cameras, there is a triple camera setup on the back where the primary camera has a 50MP Sony IMX766 sensor with OIS, an 8MP ultra wide and a 2MP macro. For selfies, there is a 16MP sensor. So yeah, so far these specifications are exactly the same as those of the Realme GT Neo 3. In fact, just like the GT Neo 3, the OnePlus 10R has two variants. One with 80W charging and the other with 150W charging. The one with 80W charging has a bigger 5000 mAh battery as well. As for other features, there is Android 12 based Oxygen OS 12, Gorilla Glass on the front and back, NFC and stereo speakers. Well, the launch date is not yet known, but we do know that the phone is launching in the month of May. This means there is still more than a month left for the launch, and surely we will get to know a lot in the next 1 month. So, what do you think of the OnePlus 10R being a rebranded Realme GT Neo 3? Do let me know via the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.